Alrighty, I am back on the road. My GoPro is charged up to 100%, which I think that's what the problem was yesterday, that I didn't fully charge it. Because what I do when I get home is I plug it into the computer and charge it that way. And I don't think that it was fully charged when I turned the computer off, and I just figured it was. So I think that's what's happened there. But it's all good though, because you probably wouldn't have been able to see much with the amount of rain that was coming down last night. I mean, it was only sprinkling. When I left work, it was only sprinkling. It's like, cool, I won't get all that wet when I get home. Ooh, was I ever wrong. And the closer I got home, the harder it rained and the more wind I got. I didn't take the highway. I decided to take the back roads, which I think was a smart idea. I mean, by the time I got home, I looked like I jumped into a swimming pool. I mean, I had to wring all the water out of my damn underwear. That's how wet I was. And that was interesting. Didn't have my rain liner. Nothing. But it's all good, because I'm back on the bike. Granted, I did have to wear my winter riding gloves and different pair of shoes, because those are still soaking wet. I just hope my boss doesn't care about the shoes that I'm wearing, because they are hiking boots. But I got with my pants, so I should be alright. My goodness, I'm color coordinated. Woohoo! Look at me, I'm just all there. I'm all about that crazy shit. But there were yeah, roads were starting to flood over. But that is some shit. Slight chance for rain. Beautiful clear skies. Warm weather all day. And then right when I get ready to leave, bam-o, I get rained on. But I got the ride, so I don't care. And my jacket's dry. My back protector is dry. My helmet didn't really get all that wet. But very soon I am going to get a helmet. Oh. Because that little gasket type thing that goes around the visor to keep the moisture out, yeah, for some reason it's not doing its job. I'm gonna get that helmet probably next month, depending on what my pay looks like. Because now I'm on a completely different pay plan. I'm on full commission. Before I was salary plus commission. that kind of changes things up a bit. It is all good. It's all good, baby. Yeah. It ain't nothing but a thing, you know. Ain't nothing but a thing. Hopefully my customer comes back today, buys that car. That would be nice. I'm hoping I can get at least 2 cars out today. Yesterday wasn't all that busy at all. Oh, there's that smell again. Oh dear Lord. Stank. Absolute stank. Underneath this bridge there is a pothole coming up. Reminding myself so I don't hit that damn thing again. Oh, that's why they're stank. That damn thing. Past that. Fresh air once again. Is it this bridge? Yep, there it is. Good. Keep this ride somewhat smooth. No major bumps. Yesterday we had a guy who bought a 2020 Raptor earlier in the year, and he had about 12,000 miles on it, a little bit of damage. Brought it back for us to buy it back. And we bought it back for $68,000, which is crazy because the new ones are $70,000. So, I mean, this thing had scuffs on the paint on the front end, scuffs on the plastic on the bed of the truck. I mean, granted, yeah, they could be buffed out, but it only lost $2,000 in value. I really don't know of another vehicle that can hold value that well. That's crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Holding value. $68,000 of the $70,000 price tag. Dude. One-legged man in a wheelchair rolling out to the off-ramp down the side of the road. That's a first. I've never seen that before. But that's one thing I've noticed since I've come back out and started driving and riding here and there. There are a lot more panhandlers out there on the corners. Man, I'll tell you one thing, as soon as I got laid off, or furloughed, or whatever the hell you want to call it, I went straight on the unemployment website and applied for that shit. Absolutely no worries. Was able to save up quite a bit too. Pay off some of my bills a little bit. We're still looking for work. Yeah, because I don't want to live off of the government. That's not me. But with everything closed down the way it was, and the way this governor doesn't want to open anything up, you know, made it hard to find a job. I just happened to luck out because I went back to the dealership just to visit a few of my co-workers, and the manager saw me and he called me over and he said, "You want a job back?" I was like, "Fuck yeah, I want it back." He's like, "We have to put you on full commission. That's the only stipulation." I'm like, "I don't care. I'll go full commission. Screw it. Doesn't bother me one bit. I'm working." That's all that matters to me, is I'm working. It did kind of suck that it rained last night. I really was hoping to go out and do a little exploring for my other channel. But I'm gonna try to go out tonight. Oh, I know, I realized I didn't give you the name of my other channel. It's called Petrified Alone. I was going out quite often, and then all that rain set in and shit. But I'm gonna go out every chance I get when the weather's right, and if I'm not tired as hell. So, well, I'm almost to work, so you guys enjoy your day, and I will return when I'm off of work and heading on my way home. Peace out, y'all. Peace out. Alrighty. It's nice to actually not have my battery be dead on the way home. Hope y'all had a wonderful day. My day wasn't too bad. Uh-oh, I think I got a light out or a loose connection somewhere. Oh well. That's all good. Take care of that when I get home. There's some stickle. They didn't wave to me. I must not be in their motorcycle gang. 'Cause I'm not on a rice burner. I'm not cool. What a day, what a day, what a day. No sales for me today, but it's all good. It's early days. Early days in the week. Long day too. But it's good. It's not raining. I'm not gonna get wet. On the way home tonight. That wouldn't be good again. Because I don't have another pair of dry shoes I can wear to work tomorrow. And I don't feel like squishing around in soggy shoes. I notice a lot of people are still like in my profession, you usually shake everybody's hand, but now we just do the fist bump, and there's still people iffy about it. They're like, no, I don't want to touch you. And it's like, okay, man. I mean, not like you lick your knuckles. I almost said nipples. Yeah, it's not like you lick your nipples every day. Knuckles. Lick your knuckles. But yeah, it is what it is. I'm not too concerned about it. Never really was. Too much fear mongering. Whistle, whistle, whistle. I just might go out tonight. Do a little ghost hunting. I'm thinking about it. Let's see how I feel when I get home. I gotta change my clothes and grab my gear and head out. Now that's one thing I can't do, and I can't ride the bike out there. I mean, I could, but what am I gonna do with the helmet and the jacket? It's too damn hot to be walking around in a bike jacket. And I can't be carrying my helmet everywhere, and I'm sure as hell not going to leave it with the bike. I mean, not to say that I'm going to be, you know, that someone's going to come around and steal it. No, the main part is, you know, I don't want like a insect or spider crawl up inside there, and then I'm riding the bike, and then all of a sudden I feel something moving around. Or something crawling across my visor. Yeah, I don't really want to drop my bike on that, because I promise you one thing, I will drop my bike if I see that. That's kind of cool. Guy sitting over there on that wall gave me a big thumbs up. What the hell is all of this? Those balloons? Yep. Balloons. Those foil helium balloons. Somebody let go of a bunch of them. Yeah, I can go out there and walk around for an hour or two. See if I can catch any more paranormal activity. I was gonna go through downtown, but since I don't know what's going on with my turn signal, I'm gonna stick to the highway today. In the evenings, I do enjoy going downtown because it's a lot cooler, and I'm not in a hurry to get anywhere, so I can just cruise. Just cruise. Oh, that's a pretty sky. Oh, now it's working. What the hell is that all about? I think I might have a loose connection somewhere. Take this bitch in. Might do that tomorrow, since I'll be out in the area. No, shit, I can't. Fuck. Next 3 or 4 days is going to be raining and storming. Caca. Caca poopy. So I'm kind of stuck with however it is now till the weekend. Hopefully it doesn't rain this weekend too. Yeah, we got 2 tropical storms forming out there in the Atlantic. Hopefully they don't come up this way. It'd be nice if they don't actually hit land. Just sit out there in the middle of the Atlantic and just swim around. Beautiful, 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 beautiful weather tonight. Beautiful. No humidity whatsoever. Absolutely love it. Ooh. Air coming off the front of that truck is pushing me over. Yep, turn signal didn't work again. I gotta fix that. Check it out when I get home if I remember. I'm doing 75. That guy's doing at least 95 and throwing a shit ton of rocks at my legs. Ooh, there's that smell again. Damn. It just smells like pure garbage. Ew. a police officer pulled over a van. Woo! Bad luck, mate. Okay, guys, I'm almost home. So, thank you for watching my video. Oof. If you liked what you saw, sure to leave a comment down below. If you didn't like what you saw, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so you know when my next video is posted, like this one right here. And I will see you guys very soon when the weather permits, because we got too much damn rain, flooding everywhere. All right, guys, you guys have a great night. Peace.